Welcome to Fidel Science Academy. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Today we are going to look at chemistry question that involve a gaseous reaction. And at this point, there is a question on the board that we want to look at it. But please do well to subscribe to this channel. Recommend this channel to people that want to grow in chemistry, grow in sciences. Is which of the following phenomenon leads to decrease in volume of a liquid in an open container? Brownian motion, diffusion, evaporation, and sublimation. And we'll look at all the question or the objective part of it that is on the board. We can see that all of them involve gaseous movement, and we want to look at each of them based on the phenomenon or the movement of the gaseous particles that can help us to identify the particular ones that can support the movement of that water, that help or that bring about the reductions in the volume of that water in the container. So let's go in and look at it. So the first part is Brownian motion. When we are talking about Brownian motion, has to do with movement of gaseous particles in an haphazard direction or zigzag direction. They don't have a specific direction where they are going. They move to different directions within a container. And if we are looking at the water that was already outside or in an open container, this does not support the movement of that water, because this movement of the water involve or require heat that will help or that will enhance the movement of that water particles to undergo an evaporation process, or that can take part of the movement of that water molecules in that container. So we are saying that this movement of Brownian motion is movement that has to do with that direction. And also the next part is diffusion. So on this note, we are looking at diffusion. Now this diffusion has to do with movement of gas particles, maybe a gas particles of an atom or an ions or a molecules from area. We are looking at this as from area of high concentration to area of low concentration. From area of high concentration to area of low concentration. So at this point, this gaseous movement does not support the movement of water molecules, because this has to do with movement in gaseous form that move from area of high concentration by diffusing, by passing through the gaseous particle gaseous space to an area where that is very low. So also let's look at evaporation. So evaporation, this involves the movement of water vapor. This involves the movement of water vapor in gaseous form. Maybe for example, from the question they said a container of water in an open area. Maybe the container is open. You can see that the this best explained the movement of the water vapor, because this involves the movement of water in vapor form. So this explained better on this particular question. Then another one is sublimation. So sublimation also, this also talk about movement of substance, solid, this movement of solid to gaseous form. So we are saying that movement of substance from solid to gaseous form. For instance, how they now move through gaseous form and solidified again without passing through liquid form, then that explains sublimation. And if you want to get more knowledge of this, go to the channel. I have treated on sublimation and you will learn more about it. So at this point, we've seen that from the four objective part that was given, the best answer is well understood by now from the explanation. So my follower, do well to put the answer in the comment section. Also comment, like, and share so that YouTube will recommend it for people. Thank you so much. You are welcome to Fidel Science Academy. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.